Alrighty, I got a brand new Cobra 25 LTD Classic. It's a beautiful radio. It's been tweaked to peak, receiver aligned. It's got a 180-degree blue LED light in the meter there, looking pretty sharp. A receiver improvement has been done to this radio. Not only does it have the Schottky diodes, but it's got the hard to find Sanyo transistor in the receiver amp spot, so you'll get lower noise and better sensitivity. This radio's got the high power MOSFET conversion done to it. Let's go ahead and check it out on the old bird meter. So we got a 5-watt slug. So we'll be reading this middle scale here. We got 2 watts right here. Coming in right at 2 watts. Which is perfect for running a linear amp. Let's go and take this slug out. Let's put in 50 watt. If it'll focus, there we go, 50 watt slug. So we'll be reading the middle scale again. 20 watts right here, 30 watts right here, 35 watts right there. Radio check, 1 2 3 4 5 audio check. Radio check, 1 2 3 4 5 audio check, 1 2 3 4 5 audio check, check, check. So you can see it swinging 35 watts, pretty dirty. People have been asking me, oh, does 25 have talk back? Does it have echo? Well, here you go. I added talk back and echo right here in the normal channel 9 switch. Go ahead and flip this switch right here. I'll activate your talk back. Radio check 1 2. Radio check 1 2. Right here in the RF gain spot, you got a Connex echo board. Breaker 19 for radio check. Anybody got a copy on my little radio? Come on. And you can adjust it however you like. Hello? Check. 1 2. And you can adjust it real slow and repeating if you'd like. Hello? 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 Or turn it off. Turn the talk back off. Well, there you have it, folks. It's a very good, clean, strong running radio. Thanks for watching.